guys, welcome back to the channel. Now we're gonna be heading out to our first Cars and Coffee in Houston, and honestly, the first Cars and Coffee in the Mustang. The car is not clean. I stupidly did not put it in the garage last night, but you know what? Still gonna pop out, see some cars, have a good time. Maybe we'll see some new edges. I doubt it. Apparently this meet is bussin', and it's nothing but supercars right now, so we're gonna be out of place, but it is what it is. Technically, I'm always out of place because you don't really see these cars. At least I don't see these cars in my area. Like, I barely see any like new edge Mustangs. If you do see one, you know it's a Cobra, and you'll probably never see it again because it won't ever pop out. But if you guys do enjoy the content, make sure you guys drop a like in the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn those post notifications. Of course, like a normal vlog, it gets crazy windy as I'm about to take off, so let's go ahead and get underway. We're a little late, but I'll pick up the vlog when I get closer to the spot.
So this is the mid-grade. What is that?
That thing's clean.
Mid-grade leather. Yeah. So
One of you guys in these?
Nah.
No?
Oh, you're good, thank you.
Oh, you're just here on the weekend? I'm just like, damn, I haven't seen that face in a hot minute. I know, yeah. Yeah. So I was here, like, for a second. Yeah.
Man, I like it.
Today wasn't even like the same day. Oh yeah, this was like a month ago.
I think we missed my Subaru. This is actually clean too. Jesus. This low-key makes me miss my Subaru, bro. I wonder where we got the seats from. That shit's cold, dude. I really like the seats, yeah. That would look so good in mine, dude. Oh my god.
You guys in one of these two? We're the Charger and the 350. Oh. I think that's 350.
I do like these cars too, man.
they're body cool.
Those A90s, instead if they made a manual in A90, you have to look at one.
Or we can do left on one. Yeah, left one light.
Yeah, we can do that too.
It's great.
I like C5 beds too. Like,
Nah, they clean when they're done good.
that's true. When you don't do it, when you don't do a lot to them, they just like nice wheels, tires, you know, performance mods and stuff like that. A hood. That's all you got to do. So the older cars, you don't have to do anything to them. It's a nice S2000 though.
Alright,
Yeah, I got a couple calls. Entering your name into a drawing and like you get it. So yeah, I mean I think you're just getting that.
do like Porsches too.
Oh, that is so
This
cool.
has a crazy color scheme to it, but it works. I like it. I like it. That GT350 is clean too. Okay, these are probably the cleanest Miatas I've seen. Imagine they started up with an LS swap in here. And it's cam. That'd be insane. Like a pink and like a teal Miata with like a chop with an LS. That'd be awesome. That'd be awesome. BRZ.
What's your opinion on that car?
The BRZs?
Just the platform in general.
I actually have one. I do like them though. Like if you're not gonna push a lot of boost out of them, they're cool. But if you are, you gotta get like a built short block.
I seen one
You'll
like
be straight.
TRC. It was crazy. It was 2 JD stock. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Like the GT500 over there.
Yeah, I just got a new motor for mine though.
Oh, you gonna put it back on the road?
Yeah, I just got a new motor for it. It came actually yesterday.
Nice.
So I'm gonna get that dropped in, and then I don't know if I'm gonna hold on to it or sell it for a Cobra, but I'll probably hold on to it for a little bit to see. So I've been driving it in like it'll be over a year once I get it back. So
What do you daily?
I have like a truck I daily, but it does. Once I get it back on the road, we'll see. This is actually clean though, dude. I mean, TEs look good on every car, bro. Like you can't go wrong with some TEs. Yeah, he did put the TEs in the Z06. That should look good too. It looked good too.
He builds good cars.
That kind of proves that like you can put those wheels on like whatever car, yeah, and it'll look legit.
I like that color.
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that little meet. That's actually the first time I've actually popped up to that Catalina Coffees meet since I've been in Houston. And honestly, that was the first meet I've ever been to, like Cars and Coffee in Houston, and it was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, the AM meets are 100% better than the meets at night as far as the type of cars that pull up, but obviously, you know, more, you know, adults that have, you know, higher end cars that are not out hot rodding at like 11 p.m., 12 a.m. in the morning are gonna be pulling up to like one of those 10 a.m. meets. Now, apparently there was a bunch of other nicer cars that pulled up like an hour before I even got there. So next time, I'm gonna make sure that I get there a little bit earlier so I can capture a bunch of that stuff on camera. I really like that 370Z with that body kit. That was very, very clean with the Fairlady body kit. I've never heard of that. I don't even know if that's like a legit body kit, but whatever it was clean. That S550 that had that like purplish blue wrap was 100% clean. And I'm not gonna lie, I've been seeing a lot of BRZs recently. Like a lot of them have been pulling up, a lot of them have been, you know, popping up here in Houston. Now the funny thing is, when I first moved here in October, I literally saw like zero, and I mean zero BRZs. Like I was like, damn, like people were right, like there really are no BRZs in Houston. So it's kind of cool to see a lot of those cars pulling up. So I'm not gonna be the only person that has a BRZ here when I do get mine running. not gonna go ahead and spoil too much stuff, but that car will be back running very soon. Hope you guys can hear me over like the tire noise and everything, but really excited to go ahead and kind of get that car running again. And it's kind of nice to get out early and see, you know, a different change in scenery and stuff like that. Apologies for not really getting like too much POV going up to the meet, but I literally was like unfamiliar with the area, and wherever I'm like unfamiliar with an area, I usually kind of just like to cruise up there and kind of like feel everything out before I put the camera on, if that makes any sense. Come on, brother. aka Copland, we gonna be extra careful. Somebody that actually knows how to use their like mirrors and stuff and watch their surroundings. But since we're on the topic of car meets, I've always wondered this because I don't know if I'm the same person, or I should say, I don't know if somebody thinks similar to me. I don't know why I said it like that. But what type of car meets do you guys like to go to? Do you guys like to go to car meets where there's like a bunch of exotic cars that you don't normally see? Or do you guys like to go to car meets where, you know, it's just a bunch of cars that you can see, like, not all the time, but when people bring them out, they're nice? Or do you guys like a nice mix? Because honestly, like, I honestly prefer a nice mix. I like to go to car meets, like kind of like the one I just left, as I just completely like, I like to go to the car meets that I just left. Oh, there's a cop back there too, damn. Is he coming up? No, he's turning. Okay. Dude, like I said, we're in Copland right now. I like to go to car meets that have like a mix of things, where like there's cars that you don't normally see, and then there's cars you can see, you know, not on a regular basis, but cars that are done right, you know, that you can see, you know, from time to time. Oh, what is this? Who in their right mind would do some stuff like that? That's definitely like a kid did that or some shit overnight and nobody's noticed. That's actually crazy. Woo! Downshift, baby. Boys wish their car sounded like this. Nah, I'm kidding, shit. I'm probably gonna end up buying a Chevy sooner or later. Actually, I have a Chevy already. I'm kidding, guys. I don't really care what car you guys drive. I like all, you know, makes and models and shit like that. That whole stigma about Mustang owners wanting a Corvette is true. I do want a Corvette. I almost bought a Corvette too earlier this year, but I decided not to. Gonna finish what I started with this baby, and then once this baby is done, you can go ahead and have some fun with some other shit. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, man. I'm probably gonna wrap the vlog up here. Just wanted to get out on a Sunday morning. I don't really get out at all, like on Sundays. I usually just chill. So if you guys did enjoy it, make sure you guys drop a like in the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, and also let me know down in the comment section what type of meets you guys like to pop out to. Meets with supercars, meets regular traffic, or a mix of all. Catch you guys in the next one.